What's up guys, it's YB Moose. I'm going to show you how to use Griot's ceramic headlight restoration kit to repair this headlight. Alright, first step guys is to go ahead and clean the lens, especially because there can be a lot of different bugs or a lot of different debris on there. So you just want to make sure that everything is ready to go before you apply the first step. Here I'm just applying alcohol just to get it all dried up. This is just optional, something I wanted to do. Next step is to apply the tape over any surfaces that you don't want to sand over, especially me after being hit by some old lady and getting my car repainted. The first step on the instruction list is to remove the oxidation with the applicator with medium pressure. After that, you get the applicator and you start sanding it with 1000 grit. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just going back and forth and then circular motions as well. You don't have to be applying it too much or too hard. As you can see, I went over it a couple times and wiped it clean to get any other debris off of it. After that, just repeat these same steps and the same motions with a 2000 grit and a 3000 grit. You don't have to apply it too hard, just medium pressure as well. Step 3 on the list is to put the ceramic onto the headlight itself. Now it only tells you to do a single coat, but I missed a couple spots and I wanted to just put a little bit more, so I added 2 coats. And that's pretty much it guys. As you can see, here's the before picture and here's the after. See you in the next one. Comment, rate, and subscribe.